There is one essential speech or presentation you should be giving this year to your clients, customers, colleagues, students, anyone you interact with. Now, it's not necessarily an in-person presentation, but it is one that is ideally done through online presentation, as I'm doing with you, or even over the phone. Here is the presentation. Hello. Can I help you? Do you have any questions that relate to my area of expertise where I can help you? If you do, please let me know. Pick up the phone and call me, email me, and this does apply to you too. You can email me, tj@tjwalker.com. You can call me at +1 212 764 4955. If you have any questions about presenting, public speaking, speaking to the media, crisis communications, or personal development, I'm here for you. That's it. That's really all I'm talking about. Most people don't do that. They feel like every announcement has to be to announce this big thing, this new product, this sales figure, the grand opening, something new and important. And yeah, you've got to do all that too. But it's also nice to just occasionally have no agenda. I'm not trying to convince you to buy some new product today. I'm not trying to sell you an online course. I don't want you to go to a webinar of mine. I'm just trying to communicate with you as a person to let you know I'm here for you. We live in such an impersonal world these days, and everyone is texting all the time, that sometimes you can have an important client or customer or student may only be a block away from you, may even be the same building as you, but you haven't actually talked to each other, seen each other in person for months, sometimes years, sometimes a decade. We can all be guilty of that. I had lunch just last week with a client I've worked with for 27 years, but I hadn't seen her face-to-face in probably 4 years. So it's good to have face-to-face connections, but the next best thing is something like this. Just send an email, but do it in a video format. If you do a newsletter where you have no agenda. So in this newsletter, if you've received this through my newsletter, there's no other link to anything. You just see my name and phone number. So again, I want to stress to you, communicate occasionally with no agenda. Just let people know you're here for them and you can answer their questions. By the way, when they give you questions, that can give you topics for future newsletters, blog posts, or online videos.